Welcome to the GateShare. Today we deal with Cauchy's fundamental theorem and then we evaluate some problems on Cauchy's fundamental theorem. So first, what is Cauchy's fundamental theorem? Let fz be analytic within an simple closed contour C. This is the closed contour C. Then close integral of fz dz is equals to 0. So here is the problem. Evaluate this problem where z mod of z is equals to 1. So this is the question. We rearrange them and taking to the power 4 at the outside whole cube. So pi by 4i and we get 1 by 64 integration of e to the power 3z z minus pi by 4i whole cube dz. Next 1 by 64 into 2 pi I divided by 2 double derivative of pi by I by 4. Then we get 2 cutting out, pi I divided by 64 into e to the power 3 pi I by 4, and we get 9 pi I divided by 64 into e to the power 3 pi I by 4. So this is the answer of this question. You have to evaluate this in this format. So the next problem is integration of 2z square plus 1 divided by 2z minus 1 dz, where z mod of z is equals to 3 by 2. So we take this in this format. So 1 by 4 out, and we get 1 by 4 2 pi I divided by 1 into 4 half. So we get 4 cutting out, 2 cutting out, so we get pi I. This is the answer of this question. So you can solve this question in this format, so you will easily find out the solution. So here are some typical problems you are given, and you have to find the v such that this is analytic. So first you find out del u by del x is equals to 3x square minus 3y square is equals to del v by del y. So del u by del x, del u by del y is equals to minus 6yx, and del v by del x you will get 6xy. So del v is equals to 6xy dx plus 3x square minus 3y square dy. Then v is equals to d of 3x square y minus of y cube. So you will get v as 3x square y minus y cube plus c. This is the v. So this is a simple problem. You have given u, and you have to find out the v such that fz u plus iv is analytic. So first you find out the del u by del x, then del v by del y. You will get the del v and also get v d of function d of this is. So at the end of the integration you have to put such as c. So you will get the v. This is the answer of this question. So another question is u is equals to 4xy minus 3x plus 2. Find the v. So this is the same as previous problem. So you will get you have to find the del u by del x. You will get 4y minus 3 is equals to del v by del y. Del u by del y you will get 4x, and del v by del x you will get so minus 4x. So now dv is equals to minus 4x dx plus 4y minus 3, this 4y minus 3 dy. So v is equals to minus 2x square plus 2y square minus 3y plus c. So this is a simple problem. You have to find the v such that it is analytic. So v is minus 2x square plus 2y square minus 3y plus c. This is the answer of this question. So in the next class we will deal with some Taylor series, Lorentz series, isolated singular point and method also. So keep watching and keep learning.